In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert audio to text in CapCut. If you've ever needed a quick transcript for subtitles, notes, or repurposing content, CapCut makes it simple. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few tips so you get accurate results the first time. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. You can use the desktop app or the web editor. Both work well for this. When the editor loads, you'll see your timeline at the bottom and your media area ready for imports. It helps to close other heavy apps so CapCut has enough system resources to process your audio smoothly. Now, add your audio to the project. Drag and drop your file into the media panel, then place it onto the timeline. If your audio is part of a video clip, make sure the audio is visible on its own track, or detach it if needed so it's easy to select. For best transcription quality, use the cleanest version of your audio you have. Clear voices, minimal music, and low background noise. If the track starts with long silence, trimming the dead space can speed up processing and keep your transcript cleaner. With your audio in the timeline, click Transcript. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the right side panel or near Text and Captions tools. If you're prompted to choose a language, pick the one that matches the speaker's voice. Also confirm that the correct audio track is selected. Then start the transcription process. CapCut will analyze the audio. The time this takes depends on the length and clarity of your file. Keep the app in focus and avoid scrubbing the timeline while it runs for the most reliable results. Once the transcription is complete, look for the results in the Transcript or Captions panel. You'll see the text aligned to timestamps, often broken into manageable segments. Play through the audio and watch the transcript highlight in real time so you can confirm it matches what's being said. If you notice small misheard words, you can quickly correct them in place. Consistent speaker pace and minimal overlapping voices improve accuracy, so don't be alarmed if fast. Mumbled sections need a quick touch-up. When everything looks good, your text is ready to use. Whether you plan to display it as captions, copy it for a script, or reference it for editing. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your audio, click Transcript, and review the results. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.